Sure, but let's get in some technical perspective on the markets. Then Sameet Chavan of Angel Broking as well as Manas Jaiswal join us now. Sameet, what's your view as far as the expiry is concerned? What are the charts saying? What are the futures and options positions saying?
Good afternoon. We have seen some consolidation in the range of 85.90 to 86.60 since last 3 days. Yes, technically if we speak, 8655, which is the August 2015 highs, is acting as a strong hurdle, but it's a matter of time. We expect Nifty to surpass this hurdle quite soon. It may not happen today, but in a week's time probably we can move higher, probably towards 87.50 to 87.90. So these are the next possible levels that we are expecting. And on the lower side now, base has shifted higher, 84.77 to 85.70 we are seeing as a very strong support zone. So any dip is a buying opportunity as far as positional perspective is concerned. With an expiry perspective, we believe that the expiry might happen within a 30 points range from 86.50 to 86.70 kind of band.
By the way, now Somani Ceramics is reacting to the muted top-line growth. It slipped nearly 3% from the day's high, and as we speak, Somani Ceramics is down close to about 1%. All those initial gains have been lost, and now the stock is trading on the flatter side. So some disappointment seen on the top line, just a 5.1% growth, even as the margins expanded by 200 basis points to 8.1%. But Manas, what about individual stocks? What would you recommend?
See, my first pick is Oracle Financials, where it's after almost 5-6 days correction, the stock took support near 200-day moving average and bounced back sharply. Today it broke the resistance of 36.50 with great volumes. Oscillators are showing positive crossover. So possibility is high that the stock can test 3800 soon. So one can buy it with a stop loss of 3600. Second call is a buy call on Nagarjuna Construction, where stock is making higher tops and higher bottoms from the level of 70 rupees. Today it broke the resistance of 82 with great volumes. So I think this trend will continue and the stock can test 86 soon. So one can buy it with a stop loss of 80 rupees.
All right, Sameet, you have 3 buy calls. Could you take us through them?
Yes, sir. First buy would be on Hexaware for a target of 240. If we look at the derivative stats, this stock has given a decent rally from the levels of 217 to 2225 with long formation seen. In addition, if we see the rollover has increased substantially if we compare previous expiries rollover. So we believe that this move is likely to extend. Technically speaking, this stock is on the verge of giving a breakout beyond 230, 231, which has been acting as a very strong resistance. So our target for Hexaware would be around 240 and stop loss would be at 222.
Okay, Hexaware, remember, comes out with its earnings later in the evening. For the last 2 quarters, the numbers have been very disappointing. The street is hoping for a bit of a rebound. But we'll thank both the gentlemen for joining in and giving us all those trading ideas. Time for a break. When we return, Welspun Corp has reported a good set of earnings. Details when we return with S. Krishnan, the CFO of the company.